Damien Epson here, but I brought something new with me today. I finished an art class today.
Yeah, he did.
Let me show you in 3, 2, 1. Shebang.
Wow, awesome.
Everybody, let me introduce you to a painting of Thomas the Tank Engine.
Yeah, yep, it's me, all right.
And the artist is by me, CDA.
Not for Monster's sake, so don't think about that, you guys.
Yeah, it's short for Charles Damien Adamson. And underneath it says, in memory of Reverend Milbert Audrey. Milbert Audrey, he's the creator of Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends. And he wrote a book about it called the Railway Series.
Wow, that's cool, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And plus, look how cool it looks in the sunlight.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Thomas the Tank Engine rolling along.
Oh, yeah.
Hashtag art. I'm done.
Okay.